Hey, I'm Doc, and in this video, MaxSpeeding.com has been generous enough to sponsor this coilover unboxing and then eventually the install on the S197, Peg's Pony. Hey, I'm Doc, and this is Doc's Boost, and here at Doc's Boost, we're going to teach you how to build performance, how to enjoy that performance, and be excited while doing it. But before we get into the unboxing, make sure that you click the like, subscribe, and ring that bell to set notifications for all the new content coming your way, because it really does matter and I appreciate your support. Now, this kit that we're going to unbox will fit any S197 except the GT 500 S197 version. I'm going to include a link to this coilover in the description below, so make sure you open up the description and see the link, and there's going to be a 10% discount code that you can use for not only this purchase but any other purchase that you might want to do at MaxSpeeding.com. Alright, here's the coilover kit from MaxSpeeding.com, and we're going to open the box. And first of all, I'm kind of impressed with the box itself because it didn't come damaged. So there's a plus, right? A lot of the stuff I get, a lot of stuff you get, I'm sure, comes damaged already. So we've got at least a good start. All right, here we go. Nice and smooth, great looking coilover kit, right? Yeah. All right. Hey, look at that, man. The eye-catching color first thing off. We got a little package here. What's inside the package, you ask? Well, I don't know. Let's see. Let's just start from the top. We got something going on here. And it looks like a sticker that we could stick on the car. I'll probably find a place in the garage for it. So right off the top, as we open the box, I'm impressed the way the layout and all the protective foam in there, but we've got some adjustable sway bar links. How many coilover kits do you get that come with adjustable sway bar links? Good feature. Starting over at the top, what we got is the front strut towers, built with forged aluminum camber plates. No extra parts needed. With a 24 level adjustable dampening. Man, the GT 500 kit has 6 level dampening. This is this is a lot more. 24 level dampening. We've got adjustable height, and because it adjusts in that fashion, the dampening stroke is not affected by the height adjustments. And this thing can be adjusted while it's on the vehicle. This adjustment for spring tension, and the springs are a little smaller in size than the stock ones, but the rebound capabilities are 1 level higher. So there you go with that. And of course, there's 2 of those in the box. Here's the one for the other side. All of the same features, right? So we got that. And then pulling out the rear shocks with the springs. So here's the springs, and this kit has the ability to change the ride height from 1 to 3 inches, which can get down to a very, very aggressive stance. But not only an aggressive stance, but it actually lowers the center of gravity of your vehicle, of your ride. So if you're a road racer like I am, that's important. And then the shock itself. Again, the height adjustable doesn't affect the dampening stroke at all. They are adjustable, and 24 level dampening adjustments available on the rear shocks as well. Here's the other spring. And then the other shock. And then we have the spring pads with the shim, and it's metal, it's not plastic, so it won't crack. with a little rubber bumper for the spring pad. Fully adjustable to help the ride height and I guess do the preload on the rear spring. So when I do the installation, which will be in an entirely separate video, I'll make sure that you understand how that preload on the rear spring takes how that preload takes place on the rear spring when we put these pads in place. And of course there's two of these. There better be. Yep, here we are. And there's two of those. Yeah, it's like Christmas. Just rip open them boxes, right? That's how I love to do it. Open it up, turn it on, see what it does, right? Open it up, turn it on, see what it does. And there's the other side. So we have a pair of those for the rear. But we're not done yet, because down here deep in the box we find the adjusting wrenches to turn the collars, the adjustable collars here on the, while it's on the ride you can actually adjust the ride height with these tools. And then deep down in there we got a little brochure that talks about all about us. It shows some products that they have, not only for this ride but other rides as well. So they've got connecting rods and turbochargers, and the list goes on. So that's it for the box opening ceremony. And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna get ready to put this thing up on stands, and we're gonna actually do the install, but that's coming up on another video. What I got for you right now is another video right there, especially selected for you. But before you get started in that video, and I'll see you there, make sure that you click the like and subscribe and ring that bell, because it really does matter, and I appreciate your support, and thanks for watching.